Hi, I just want to say, know your sources. Know the source of your clothes, know the source of your food. For example, the Trump administration just deregulated organic farming of animals. Organic does not mean they are treated any better than factory farm counterparts. For example, organic industry has lobbied against this deregulation. They can stuff 160,000 birds in one warehouse or keep them in tiny cages the size of a file drawer to live life. That is torture. Imagine living your life in a cage the size of a file drawer. That is torture and worse than death, in my opinion. Look up videos of battery-caged birds. Free range may not even be much better. Know your source. But this is organic, and it has been deregulated by the Trump administration, which will cause millions and millions of animals to suffer. Like I said, with the battery-caged birds for egg production. Don't care about the egg, care about the birds, the females. So please know your sources and sign petitions against the Trump administration. We've had very, very few loose animal welfare laws, and now they are basically stripped away. Yes, stripped away. What little we had, jeopardizing public health and the respect for these sentient beings who suffer from birth to death, and these warriors and heroes who make the ultimate sacrifice for you, and we repay them by treating them like trash. So please look up a factory farm video. Organic does not mean they are treated any better. Free range may or may not be. Know your source personally, or don't trust them. They are a business looking to make money, and many will distort the truth and make false claims, as we have seen before, like the cigarette industry and much more. Healthy claims. So please respect animals and yourself and what you put in your body. Consume less animal products, especially small birds. Most consume 37 land animals per year. Most are 35 are birds. And nearly all are factory farms. And the normal conditions are horrendous. Look up a video or a few videos and please share. Thank you. Organic farming does not mean better treatment of animals.